Welcome everyone to Wender Styles. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. Your first time here, please subscribe to this channel. Be a part of this video by hitting the like button. Comment also in the comment section below. Let me know how you feel about the short haircuts. Okay? Please don't skip the ad. Don't skip the ads. Please. You all are welcome to Wedding Style. These are great and lovely, beautiful short hairstyles for anyone. Okay, compliment of the season, everyone. For the most part, like the shorter the hair, the easier it is to kind of manipulate. So with this minimalist style rising in popularity, there is an increasing demand for these beautiful cuts. Okay, because cutting hair very short is not always an easy feat. But to make the transition simpler, consider adding in interesting facets to your cut, like a hand part, because this cool and edgy add-on creates more interest in an organized or kind of otherwise plain short haircut. So this kind of hairstyles for you to maintain it is a challenge because when moisture is preserved and heat is limited, styling becomes so much easier. So these are beautiful haircuts that are beautiful with great kind of leave-in and sealing with some kind of oil-based product.
All I really have is a heart and cards. But baby, deep down, I know that's not enough. If you need to go, 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 be happy. If you need to go, 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 be happy. If you need to go, 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 be happy. Deep down, I feel bad, but I know that you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. Deep down, I know that you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish.
One of the most sought after traits in natural coily haircut is the voluminous hair. Because if you're lucky enough to have type 3 or type 4 hair, you have lots of natural volume that you may shape with undercuts and highlight with your favorite colors. Short naturally coily haircuts shouldn't be boring or
I've
standard.
been told that love is
They
about the
have all the
sacrifice.
potential
I didn't
to
know
make
that
a
love come
statement,
from night.
a kind of
Always
serious
wanted
statement,
that so bad.
because a brighter
I
color such
couldn't
as the
let you go.
platinum,
You deserve
like
the
this,
kind
you
of
can see
love
this
that I
beautiful
can
pink
give. You
hair,
deserve the
or
kind
the
of joy
pastel
that
or
I
neon
can
can
bring.
elevate your look to the next level. Can you see how the beautiful hair colors elevate their looks? So when
You
looking for
deserve
current short natural haircuts that
more
are
than
easy
I
to
can
style,
give.
a
I
tapered
don't wanna
wash
be
and
so
go do
selfish.
or a tapered
Keep you
wash and
here with
hairdo
me.
could be your best part or your best part.
You
So all you
deserve more
need
than
is a
I
little
can
bit of a
give.
leave-in
I
conditioner
don't wanna
to
be
keep
so
moisture
selfish.
locked in
I'ma let
and
you go
coils
be happy.
hydrated.
Go
Every
be
coily
happy.
girl wants a spring, a
Go be
bouncing
happy.
coil. This
I promise you I
exemplify
don't feel so
health. So
bad.
you may rock them in any
Call me
length
up, I
and
gotta
feel
show you.
feminine. So
Ooh,
for an
you
extra chic
deserve
detail, add a
more than
shaved
I can
tapered
give.
or shaved
I don't wanna
part
be
because
so
this
selfish.
consume the
I
look
don't wanna
and
be
make
so
it
selfish.
more sophisticated.
You
You've taken the
deserve
plunge and got a
more than
big chop
I
to remove your relaxed hair.
can
Having a
give.
classy haircut that helps the transition from relaxed to natural is a huge deal.
You
So,
deserve
this kind of artistic
more than I can
design
give.
shaped into a
I don't
naturally
wanna
curly
be
haircut
so
can
selfish.
be the makeover,
Keep
can
you
kind of
here
make it
with
or
me.
even break
You
it addition
deserve
to your shorter look.
You deserve but that's just fine. You deserve. I know now you get a home, and I'm gonna be alone, but that's just fine.
These are cute shapes called that embodies strength. It embodies roughness. So pairing the pair with some
Just
dainty like
fine.
low-key diamond earrings and a base toning makeup balances the look, giving it a dose of feminine. These are cute styles that are cute and also trending.
Angel, angel, we
This
don't know.
fabulous pixie
Deep
is
down,
just
I know
one
you
of
belong to the
many
stars.
beautiful
You're the reason
short
why I work
naturally
so
curly
hard.
haircuts
Angel,
because
angel,
the
we don't
platinum
want.
contrasting with the
Deep down,
black
I know that I
undercut,
will never
it
meet your
promotes a kind of
baby,
dimension.
but I
The
keep
tapa
on
shape it
trying.
kind of creates
Deep down,
eyes
I know
on the
I'll never
crown
be
of the
top,
head.
but I will
So,
keep on
one of the
trying.
most
If you need
notable
to go somewhere
characteristics
else, you
of
can.
ethnic hair
If you
is
need a
its
love
ability
song
to hold
else,
shape
it's
because
fine.
of this.
Deep down, I
So the
know I will
gradation
never
of
be
length
top. Deep
is
down, I
important when
know
going shorter. Modern short
you
naturally curly
deserve
hair are
more
very
than I
creative.
can give.
You can see it for
I
yourself
don't
and
wanna
also
be
try
so
it
selfish
right at home
and keep you
because
here with
here
me.
is a good
You
example.
deserve more than I can give.
The tapa cut
I
is
don't wanna
very
be so
beautiful. It's
selfish
kind of
and
suitable
keep you
for
here
every
with
type
me.
of hair, natural
You can
hair. So
go and
this
be
style kind
happy.
of gives that neat
I'ma let you
edges
go
and
be happy.
bring where it's
You
necessary.
deserve more than I
Plus,
can
it's
ever
a
give.
kind of self-styling
You
option
deserve.
for active ladies with
I know, say you
hectic
get toasters, many in a
hairstyles.
Benz. Say me all I really have are my legs. All I really have is a heart and cards. But baby, deep down, I know that's not enough. If you need to go, 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 be happy. If you need to go, go,
So if you
go, be
prefer the length
happy.
of an
If you need to
afro
go, go,
but
go,
want to
be
update
happy.
your look,
Deep down, I feel bad,
try
but I
short
know that
natural haircuts
you
for black
deserve
women with varied
more than I
lengths,
can give.
layered puffs with
I
shorter
don't wanna
sides,
be so
and back
selfish
after a
and keep you here
convenient
with
kind of
me.
length and
Deep
shape
down, I
while
know that
showing off
you
your
deserve
texture and your color.
more than I can give. I don't wanna
I
be
appreciate
so
you all for your time.
selfish and keep you
Please don't
here
forget to
with me.
subscribe if it's your first time here
You,
in Wender Styles.
you,
So with a kind of dense, coarsely textured hair, styling can be hard
deserve.
and time consuming. So a twist out or any kind of style is an effortless style done in a
I've been told
maximum
that
15
love is
minutes. So
about
just start by
sacrifices.
washing your hair
You know
in
that
the
the time
shower
will come
and
for
follow up
me.
with a
Holding the
moisturizing
passage,
or
but
protein
slowly
rich
bending.
conditioner.
Now I
Then
got
you
to
can
let
seal
you go.
strands with
You
shea
deserve
butter
the kind of love
or
that
the
I can
cocoa
give. You deserve the kind of
butter
joy that I
and
can
begin
bring.
your twisting.
Oh,
Okay?
oh, oh,
So, and
oh,
bet me
oh,
when you do
oh.
this and go to bed,
You
in the morning
deserve
you wake up to beautifully
more than
textured
I can give.
ringlets.
I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I'ma let y'all go be happy.